There are often times when we want to set up meetings with pupils outside lesson times, and Google Calendar has a handy feature which makes this really easy, but it's not something that we tend to notice, so I wanted to make this little tutorial to draw your attention to it. You can see I'm here in the Calendar Weekly view, and I'm just going to click at the time I'm interested in. This box appears as normal. The thing that we tend not to notice is this little button here where it says appointment slots, and if you click on that, then a new dialog box opens allowing you to set up appointment slots. So let's imagine that I'm going to set up some review meetings for one of my classes. I can give them a title. Now that's what will appear in their calendar when they book an appointment. I can choose which calendar I want to put it in. I can just leave it in my calendar if I want, but I could choose to put it in a calendar that Google Classroom has created for the particular group that I may be aiming these meetings at. And I can choose here the length of slots that I want to offer the appointments in. So I could change those to 10-minute intervals or 10-minute appointments. If I click here, I can edit the details. So if I actually want a longer slot than that, maybe I want to offer the time from 5 till 7 o'clock, so 2 hours, it will still offer blocks of 10-minute appointments. One thing I can do, of course, is make this a recurrent event, so that I could block out this amount of time and this particular time every week, so that pupils could book time as appropriate every week throughout term. I'm not going to do that now, but you can see how you would do that. It's possible that I might want a colleague to be there throughout the appointment slots. So there I can add a guest. Now don't use this for adding the pupils who are going to come to the appointment, because a guest will be invited to the whole block, not just to the appointment slots. Now the key thing is this appointment page here, this link, because this is what you need to share with the pupils who might need to book an appointment. So I'm going to copy this by highlighting and Command C, and then I'm going to save the appointments. And you can see here with this little grid in the corner, that's the sign that this is that these are appointment slots rather than a single event. And you can see here it says 10-minute slots. Now I could choose to email that link to the relevant people, but it's much more economical to use the Google Classroom. So if I just go to this class, I'm going to create an announcement and say please book a meeting time, add the link, and click post. Then the students will be able to click on this link. It will take them to their Google Calendar. They can click on the slot that they want to book, click save, and it's automatically in their calendar and my calendar. It's really easy way of booking appointment times outside lessons.